Tired of messy nut milk prep and uneven results? Today, I've got the 5 best nut milk maker machines on Amazon that make homemade almond, oat, and soy milk effortless. From powerful motors to easy cleanup, I'll break down which models are truly worth your money. And yes, I'll share both the pros and cons so you know exactly what to expect. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Overall best pick. Meomat 8-in-1 plant-based milk maker. The Meomat 8-in-1 plant-based milk maker is a true kitchen game-changer if you're into homemade almond, oat, soy, or coconut milk. With one touch, it can also crank out soups, porridges, and smoothies, handy for busy mornings. Its stainless steel interior and automatic programs make the process almost effortless. One standout: batch size of up to 40 Oz means it's ideal for families or prepping ahead. On the downside, it takes up a decent chunk of counter space, and the external casing feels a bit plasticky compared to premium models. So if you're tight on space or want luxury build quality, this might not feel top tier. Overall, a smart buy for homemade milk lovers willing to give space and budget for it. Number 2. My second best pick, Tribest Nut Milk Maker. The Tribest SB 130 Soyabella is a great option if you want to make fresh plant-based milks at home without the fuss. Its stainless steel pitcher handles soybeans, nuts, grains, even coffee beans thanks to its built-in grinder. One of the big wins is its all-in-one functionality: grind, cook, and filter in one unit. On the downside, the fine filter screen can get clogged and cleaning takes a bit of effort. Also, the texture of milks made from nuts can be slightly gritty unless you strain further. If you're into DIY plant milk and don't mind a bit of extra cleanup, this is a solid value. Number 3. My third best pick, Alphabot Nut Milk Maker. The Alphabot In2 Nut Milk Maker is a smart add-on for anyone wanting fresh homemade almond, oat, soy milk, and even yogurt without the mess. With a 35 ounces, about 1L, capacity, 5 intuitive preset modes, nut, beans, yogurt, juice, grains, and a delay start plus self-clean function, it's great for busy mornings. The strong blades and stainless steel interior help produce smoother milk, and the automatic heating makes soy milk safe and easy. On the downside, making larger batches means multiple cycles, and straining may still be required for ultra-smooth texture. Overall, if you're after an affordable, space-saving plant milk machine, this is a compelling choice. Number 4. My fourth best pick, Vegan Milker MYLK Master Zero Waste. The Vegan Milker MYLK Master Zero Waste is a stellar pick if you're into making ultra-creamy, homemade nut and plant milks without adding waste. Its manual design, complete with a fine strainer and accompanying nut milk bag, gives you excellent control over texture and lets you avoid plastic or single-use filters. Another big plus, the wide-mouth pitcher makes cleaning easier, and you can also use it for whole bean coffee-to-milk brewing. On the flip side, because it's manual, it requires some effort and can be time-consuming compared to automatic machines. So if you're after quick convenience, it may not be ideal. Overall, for the eco-conscious and texture-focused maker, it's a strong choice. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick, Archmira Automatic Nut Milk Maker. The 8-in-1 Automatic Nut Milk Maker is a handy all-rounder for plant-based beverage fans. One major plus: the 35-ounce capacity means you can make enough almond, oat, or soy milk for a few servings at once. Another big win: 5 built-in programs: nut milk, soy milk, oat milk, yogurt, boil water, plus a delay start and self-cleaning mode make it truly user-friendly. On the flip side, the automatic process still leaves a bit of residue, so you'll likely want to strain to get ultra-smooth milk, and the machine uses a fair amount of counter space for what it delivers. If you're ready to invest in one appliance for fresh plant-based drinks, this model is a solid choice. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite nut milk maker machine? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.